Hi, I'm Bob Kasenchak, Senior Manager for Client Solutions at Synaptica. For over 25 years, Synaptica has provided innovative software solutions for building and managing controlled vocabularies, including taxonomies, thesauri, and ontologies. We'd like to thank the organizers of the Semantics Conference for inviting us to participate in this video forum. We hope to see you all in person at a live semantics event when conditions permit. In this short video, we'll present a solution we designed around our ontology product, Graphite, to accommodate a client's needs integrating ontologies with Confluence, a wiki environment, for content creation and tagging, including workflows for term suggestion and governance processes. One of our Graphite customers, a large entertainment software company, uses workflow status as part of their governance process between content producers and ontologists. Concepts stored in Graphite are available for tagging wiki pages in Confluence through a dedicated connector, and content creators working in Confluence tag pages with the appropriate scheme concepts and are allowed to suggest new concepts directly in the same user interface. These concepts are then stored in the target scheme in Graphite and assigned a candidate status to be reviewed by ontologists. Now, to provide a demonstration of the solution that we created is my colleague, Ahren Lehnert, Senior Manager for Text Analytics at Synaptica.
In our first scenario, I'm a knowledge worker and content creator who is creating pages in Confluence. I've just added a page about climate change. I want to tag the page with appropriate concepts being provided by Graphite. In this case, only concepts which are part of the collection Environmental Issues and are in the approved status are available for tagging in the Has Topic Relationship field because they've been constrained via the API connection to Graphite. Any concept and any status is available in the Related To field. I tagged the Has Topic field with climate change, environmental management, and human activities effects. I tagged the Related To field with permafrost, drought, and pollution. I also want to tag it with the term Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change. However, as I start to type the term, I find we have the concept intergovernmental organizations, but not Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change. I enter the name of the concept and click the plus icon, which will suggest the term in Graphite in the candidate status. Once the concepts are tagged to the page, hovering over each term will show information such as alternative labels or definitions. In this case, the definition has been provided by the linked data source, DBpedia. In our next scenario, I'm an editorial reviewer and taxonomist working in Graphite. My task is to review new candidate concepts which were related to my subject matter work. One way to do this is to navigate to Information. I go to the recently created climate change page and review it. I see there are concepts tagged to the page, so I want to review those as well. I select a concept and start the editorial workflow that way. Another way I can find concepts I need to review is to use search. I enter Graphite and run a search for candidate terms created by a selected user from the dates 8/10 to 8/19. I find only the concept I was looking for because it has been newly created and not reviewed. I select the concept and begin to review it. I decided it should go under Intergovernmental Organizations, so I use the type ahead in the Has Broader Relationship and begin typing that until it shows up in the dropdown from Selection. I also decide I don't want the acronym appended to the term, so I remove IPCC from the term and add it to the alternative label field. Because I have a governance template applied to this concept, there are properties and relationships used exclusively for review purposes. I mark the field QC Review true. I add reviewed 8/17/2020 to the SME comments field. I add a linked data URI from DBpedia in the URI field. I also decide I want to add the collection environmental issues to the term, so it is part of the filtered concepts available in the has-topic relationship in the Confluence front-end tagging panel. One of the things which makes this workflow possible is a governance template I set up in Graphite. The template is a collection of properties and predicates dedicated to governance tasks. When this template is applied to one or more schemes, the properties and predicates included in that template are made available to the scheme. Through a combination of the template and permissions for editorial users regarding which logged-in users can see which properties and relationships, we can create an editorial workflow in which users only need to see the information they need in their roles. My other task for today is to demote the term global warming and use climate change as the preferred term. Since I don't want to delete the old concept, but I do want to keep it for reference, I search for the term climate change and add global warming in the replaces field. The reciprocal is populated in global warming. I also add a reviewer comment in the SME comments governance field. In my final scenario, I'm an administrator who wants to approve any concepts which have been reviewed. I go to Search in the Advanced Search tab. I search in the Property field for QC Review marked True and hit Search. The two concepts which have been reviewed are in the results. I select Batch Edit Search Results and move both terms to the approved status. Back in Confluence, I can remove both terms and see they are both available for tagging because they are marked Approved. In addition, the alternative label and definition I added for the concept Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change are available in the hover menu, completing the round-trip concept addition, review and approval, and availability for tagging.
Thanks for joining us for this short video. To learn more about our products and services, please visit our website or contact us by email at info@synaptica.com.